On the Meriva B, the headlight on the driver's side, for right-hand drive models, has good access to the bulb with plenty of room to get your hand in. The passenger side is tighter and you will have to remove the windscreen washer filler. The washer filler neck will come out with a good pull, but be careful as there's some sharp metal around that area and I did cut my hand. You can see that the washer filler neck has an O-ring that seals it to the main washer reservoir. Now you have access to the headlight cap, which turns to the right to undo. On the back of the cap is arrows to show you which way. You can see here that the bulb is a single element with a plug that has 2 wires. There are no clips to undo as it is just a push fit. All you need to do is pull on the plug at the back of the bulb and it will come free. For installation purposes, this tab is the top of the bulb. Looking inside with the bulb removed, you can see 3 retaining spring arms. When you fit the new bulb, it has to be pushed in centrally. I'm fitting H7 Osram Nightbreaker laser bulbs, and the bulb on the left is the new one, and the one on the right is the old one. As long as you line it up correctly, then the new bulb will just push in. Put the headlight connector back on, and before you put the cover back on, check that the headlight is working first. Repeat this on the other headlight and then fit your covers, and remember not to touch the glass of the bulbs when fitting them. Okay, thanks for watching.